Hello everyone! Today I want to talk to you about one of the things that I emphasize in the book and why it's important. And that thing is to write small programs that do one thing well. The idea here is that when we keep our programs small and simple, they get easier to connect with other programs in the system. I'd like to show you an example of this here. We have this file with some average lap times for a car trial run. The speeds are in miles per hour. Some of the lap times, as we can see here, couldn't be read successfully. We want to convert all of these speeds to kilometers per hour and, at the same time, discard the lines that don't contain an actual miles per hour value. To do this, we actually only need to write a small program to convert the miles per hour into kilometers per hour and write an error message to standard error when it encounters a non-numeric value. The rest, like adding the text kph, will be taken care of by another small program called sed. And to only read the numeric values, we use another program called awk. But first, let's take a look at the miles per hour to kilometers per hour program. A link to the complete source code for this program can be found in the description below, so don't worry too much about the code right now. The important part here is that we read the data from standard input. We write the kilometers per hour to standard output, and the error messages, if a non-numeric value were found, to standard error. We also include an option to continue running the program in case a non-numeric value was found. So let's compile this program. Let's start by taking another look at the file with the trial runs. By the way, this file can also be downloaded from GitHub. You will find the link down below in the description. Now, we only want to use the third field, this one. To extract this field, we use awk. We redirect the output from cat into awk, and then we tell awk to only print the third field. Now we redirect this output into our conversion program like this. We also use the C option to continue running it even though it encounters a non-numeric value. But we also want to print the word kph for kilometers per hour after the actual value. To accomplish this, we use sed. So, once again, we redirect the output. And then we tell sed to replace the end of the line with a space and then the word kph. Finally, we want to redirect the error messages to a log file and keep the output clean. For this to work, we must put parentheses around it to group it together, and then we redirect the standard error into this file. Now we have a clean output and all the errors in a separate log file. The whole point in all of this is that it's very flexible, and all the parts can be reused for other purposes. For example, maybe we don't have a file with the trial runs. Maybe they are coming directly from a USB device. And maybe it isn't the third field in the next hardware version. No problem, we just change the awk part and no need to change the program.